Nice everyone, Fabio Santos again with a few more drills for you to improve your macaco. So there are a few levels of this drill. I'm gonna show the basic one and then you can progress on the level. So when I ask which exercise that you are, you can just put level 2, level 3, each one that you are doing. So the basic one, at this stage, I'm already can go up on the bridge. So we still trying to build up the strength from the shoulder, but now on the position of the macaco without twisting the hip. So what I want you to focus on my toes, my knee straight. I'm gonna place my hand here. I wanna try to reach my hand there with my hip as high as I can. I'm on my toes, so I'm gonna lift and gonna point. So I'm gonna stay there and then I'm gonna practice on the other side. So I'm gonna place my hand, I'm gonna lift and I'm gonna hold. As less weight as possible on the wall. So I'm trying to balance the momentum there, okay? So at the first level, we just hold in the position and I want you to look down to the hand on the floor. So I'm here, so place, lift, and I'm there, okay? Send the video, record sideways ideally, practice both ways. And of course, any discomfort on the shoulder or anything like that, let me know. Don't do too many in the rows, okay? I'm gonna tell you how many you're gonna do on your program. Hope you're well, and I see you on the next one.